Merry Christmas from me and Ziggy the Christmas Bunny. We're here today with an unboxing of an awesome new toy. So every year, my wife and I get to choose a silly gift that we want for Christmas. That's something we're gonna have fun with. It's gonna be awesome, but it might sound completely ridiculous, but that's what we like to do. So my wife works in the medical field, so naturally, what she chose is a remote control dinosaur robot, the ROBOTOSAUR!
It's got walks and spins. It can guard doors, snore and roar, and it can also stomp and roll.
Yeah, but does it have any emotions?
Yeah, it has emotions. It has a full range of emotions. It growls, snores, yawns, and more. And it comes with a USB outlet. See, it's still attached. The other one just popped out. Oh, I guess you unscrew it and then pop it out. Okay. Let's see if this puppy will do anything on carpet. Okay, I guess you press the power button first. And then it lights up so you know it's on. I guess you have to turn it off and then on.
Okay.
Ooh, is it heat party? Look at the lights. Okay, let's see how this works. Does not work on carpet, but it's fun on a flat surface. There's an attack button. It's gonna attack you. There's a slight delay on the control and the item. It's a lot of fun.
See that stomp? What's he doing there?
I have no idea. He must be angry. Rub his nose to make him less angry. When you do a command on the remote control, you will do it and then you will hear a little ding, and then that's when the computer inside the robot has gotten the command. So there's a delay when you press the button and then when you see a reaction. Oh, he gets angry when he bumps into stuff. He's in anger mode. You gotta rub his little nose. There, now he's nice again. Anyway, this thing is probably not difficult for a child to master. It's a little bit difficult for me to master, so I'll need some more practice, but it is a lot of fun.